Teespring, how to make money. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open your browser and go to teespring.com. Once you're there, click Login. If you don't have an account yet, just click Create Account and follow the instructions. After logging in, click on the Creating tab to begin designing your product. Choose the type of product you want to sell, for example, a crop tee. On the next page, you can select the available colors, set your product price, and adjust other details. Then click Add Design to upload or create your artwork. If you're satisfied with everything, click Continue. Now, enter your product title, write a compelling description, and fill in any other details. Once you're done, click Launch Listing to publish your product. After it's loaded, you can start sharing it with friends or integrate it with YouTube, Facebook, and other platforms. Scroll down and click Activate to make your product live. Finally, go back to the home page, click Listings, and track your sales, and you can already make money here.